We've just seen from more Best in Evening Gown winners, aside from the gowns themselves, shoes, accessories, hairstyling, and makeup have also evolved during the years. But one thing remains constant. They have always been awe-inspiring, right, MJ?
From the classic to modern, from the conservative to the provocative, from simple elegance to groovy avant-garde. We've seen them all, of course, and tonight is no exception. And so with another young but promising pop performer and currently at the top of the Philippine Billboard chart, let's all welcome Maki!
Together with our next batch of Binibinis in the evening gown competition.
Alam mo ba, hindi ka na sumuko ang puso ko sa paulit-ulit na pagkakataon na nasaktahan ang buo. Mukhang delikado na naman ako, o bakit ba kinikilig nga naman ako? Pero